Hello, today's training video is on Gmail. I'm going to share some additional tips and features that will make using Gmail easier for you and your students. If you are not already in Gmail, open it please. You can do so by typing mail.google.com in the address bar, or you can click on the shaded grid in the upper right corner of your screen if you are already in one of the Google apps for education. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to access the labs. The labs are experimental features that Google has added, and they can disappear at any time or they can become permanent at any time. So please don't get too attached to them because, like I said, they are experimental in nature. So in order to access the labs, what you will need to do is click on the gear icon on the right side of the screen and go down to Settings. Across the top of your screen you will see several tabs, and you will click on the one that says Labs, and this will bring you up to the labs that are available for use at this time. You can scroll down and see, for instance, they have one on canned responses. So if you keep getting the same message over and over and over again and you don't want to respond using the same message, you can type a response and use that canned response. You can have a preview pane, you can move your chat to the right side of your screen, you can have customized keyboard shortcuts if you would like to have your calendar available in your email. So as you can see, there are a lot of lab options available. If you would like to enable any of them, you just pick the one that you would like to use, click enable, and then you have to click save changes and it will be available for you. If you decide you don't like the lab after all, just come back here, click disable, and the lab is disabled for you. One thing to notice, it will tell you up at the top which labs you have that already enabled and which ones are available for you. So choose a lab or two. It will make using your email a whole lot easier for you, and this is something that also is available for your students. Another thing that I would like to share with you is how to attach a file in your email box. So click on Compose and you can type the name of the person that you would like to send a message to, and then down here at the bottom of your Compose box you have some options on how to attach files. Not sure if you're aware of this or not, but if you have something that's already been downloaded, you can just click and drop that into your email message without having to click add it from the drive or attach a file or anything like that. So you do have the option of having something that's downloaded. You can click and drag it and it will attach it to you in your email message. The last thing that I'd like to share with you is how to use the chat feature in your email. Chat and Hangouts are tied together, so if you want to send a text message to somebody using Google Hangout, you can do that. In order to use the text messaging feature in Google Email, you just click on the person's name and then click the little icon that looks like a chat message, and if you hover over it, it says hang out with this contact. Once you click on it, it will open up the chat box and you can compose a message and text for free back and forth using the chat feature in your email. I hope that you learned something today, and thank you for watching.